everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I thought it might be fun to take you shopping with me. So I am handing in my university dissertation this morning and I'm going straight from there to Silverburn to do some shopping, and I thought it might be fun to take you along with me and show you some of the things that I'm looking at, and then next week I will do a full haul and show you everything that I bought. But yeah, I thought that might be fun to do today. So if you enjoy the video, please do leave a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos just like this. My name is Amy and I post beauty, fashion and lifestyle videos, so welcome to my channel. And if you also want to, you can go ahead and follow me on Instagram. It's at Aloha Amy _ and it's always got lots of pink there as well. So I really hope you enjoy the video and let's go shopping. I'll show you what I'm wearing first. I am wearing this top from New Look. High necked and it's got pink flowers. I think it's really cute, and I'm just wearing that with some high-waisted jeans from Quiz, and then my over-knee boots, which are from New Look. They're just that sock boot material and they stay up nicely on my legs. And then I've got my Ted Baker bag, of course. Here's a little sneak peek of some of the things that I got. Everything's obviously pink and white, but you will have to watch my haul next week to see exactly what I got.